Good morning, folks. Good afternoon, folks.
1840 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston is delayed by approximately 13 minutes.
Good evening, folks. Today we are at Coventry Station. We're going to be seeing Avanti West Coast London North West Railway in phase 12. See what shouted up.
We are seeing 36 to Gloucester Central, departing from platform 3.
There's been some
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on
Catholic 6 earlier,
6116. We'll sort it.
and
Ticket says sorted.
I went to the shop earlier. What's them? But now let's be quiet. Right, until the next train arrives. Maybe you'll say something, maybe not. But right, let's see what trains shall turn up earlier this evening. We're gonna be seeing probably some class 730s, hopefully, and possibly we might be seeing a class 66 passing by platform 4 this evening. But anyway, let's see what shall turn up. And class 221 Voyage just came in from Bournemouth, so let's see what shall turn up.
35 London North Western Railway service to
We have a
London
Voyager
Euston
coming in now.
via Northampton is delayed by approximately 26 minutes. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Or eating something. Eating or something's welcome service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. So let's see. Let's wait for the actual train to go. Good.
We are sorry
Let's
that the
agree on that.
1836 Avanti West Coast service to Glasgow Central is delayed by approximately 30 minutes. This is due to the emergency services
Jesus.
dealing with an incident.
30 minutes, it's very late.
For this late running
But,
and the inconvenience this may cause you.
let's wait for
For
it.
customers travelling to Birmingham New Street, your next direct Avanti West Coast service is now expected to be the 1827 to Crewe, departing from platform 3.
Let's see if that train doesn't get cancelled. But let's see what shall turn up.
4 will be the 1830 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport, and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 4 for the 1830 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, Collier's Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport, and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is a Super Voyage service to have a Super Voyager coming into the station now. Working the 1830 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport, and Manchester Piccadilly. This train has 8. This train is formed of 4 coaches. And this one is I don't know what this voyage is, but it must be something. It must be. This is the running about like 9 minutes late. It's like 8 minutes late.
We are sorry that the 1840 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston is delayed by
There's no
approximately
train stopping
17
on the.
minutes. This is due to a halt on the train home. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you. We are sorry that the 1835 London North Western Railway service to
Sorry about the shakiness. It's just because of the wind.
is delayed by approximately 28 minutes. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
And they're gonna close the doors in a minute.
We are sorry that the 1827 Avanti West Coast service to Crewe is delayed by
There we go.
approximately 28 minutes. This is due to the emergency services dealing with the incident. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you. For customers travelling to Crewe, your next direct Avanti West Coast service is now expected to be in 1836 to Glasgow Central, departing from platform 3.
Birmingham International.
This is due to a halt on the train home. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Actually, you can hear that flash was in a minute. Hear that flash. And then go. You can hear that from there. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing flash as well. That's what you need.
Hold the background using the stairs. Use the leaps when carrying luggage. Dogs for safety.
By London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street, followed Candy, Tile Hill, Birkswell, Hampton in Arden, Birmingham International, and Birmingham New Street. This train is formed of 8 coaches.
We're possibly gonna get a class 390 working the avanti West Coast service from London Euston. It's actually to London Euston. Probably, hopefully.
Platform 3 of the 1845 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street, followed Candy, Tile Hill, Birkswell, Hampton in Arden, Birmingham International, and Birmingham New Street. This train is formed of 8 coaches.
There was car 50 like a London North West Coast service from London Euston to Birmingham New Street, running 2 minutes early. That's the little alarm shit class 350. So yeah. Hello, buzz. Hello. Closing the doors now.
We are sorry that the 1836 Avanti West Coast service to Glasgow Central is delayed by approximately 35 minutes. This is due to the emergency services dealing with this route. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you. For customers travelling
It's a
to
big wind, so
Birmingham,
sorry for the shake up.
next direct Avanti West Coast service is now expected to be the 1827 to Crewe, departing from platform 3.
And
We are sorry that the 1856 London North Western Railway
there's a big
service
buzz,
to Nuneaton is
and
delayed.
there's the name.
Please listen for further announcements. We apologise for the inconvenience caused.
Thank you. And there they go off for Birmingham New Street. Next station is Cunley.
This is a platform alteration. The 1856.
I'll be back in a minute. I just need to go wash my hands.
We are sorry that the 1835 London North Western Railway service to London Euston via Northampton is delayed by approximately 23 minutes. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you. We are sorry that the 1827 Avanti West Coast service to Crewe is delayed by approximately 29 minutes. This is due to the emergency services dealing with an incident. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you. For customers travelling to Crewe, your next direct Avanti West Coast service is now expected to be the 1836 to Glasgow Central, departing from platform 3. We are sorry that the 1840 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston is delayed by approximately 20 minutes. This is due to a fault on a train earlier. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you. We are sorry that the 1835 London North Western Railway service to London Euston via Northampton is delayed by approximately 20 minutes. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
just had to go and wash my hands, yeah? Had to go and wash my hands. So sorry about that. Sorry about the delay, man. Sorry about that. I just had to go to the toilet really bad. I mean, I didn't have to go to the toilet. I just had to wash my hands. It's not 4 coaches, that's 8. That's 8. Oh yeah, maybe 4. That's 8 coaches, wrong. This is walk 330. And in the rear is another dash 2, which is 352.46. We are 4 minutes into the 18:27 service coming in. And coming. So, and then the 18:36 is going to come also. I think this train has 11 coaches. And this might be, this is going to be a Pendolino. Definitely. There's no way there's any other train that's going to Glasgow on this West Coast mainline. Look, no, get off me. Bro, I have so much insecure about this. But bro. Oh god, what's all this white stuff on it? There's the big bird and there's an egg. Yes.
We are sorry that the 18:36 Avanti West Coast service to Glasgow Central is delayed by approximately 32 minutes. This is due to the emergency services dealing with incident. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you. For your own safety, you are reminded to stand behind the yellow line. The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 1900 London North Western Railway service to Leamington Spa, Portsmouth, Kenilworth, and Leamington Spa. This train is full of 2 coaches.
Here we have the Pendolino service to Birmingham to Crewe. There it is.
We are sorry that the 18:40 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston is delayed by approximately 23 minutes. This is due to the fault on the train earlier. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
390 046. This train is for Edinburgh. Wait, let's see the doors. What is this here? But I don't think what. the engine's just gone down a bit. So,
And Nuneaton. This train
Oh.
is forming of two coaches.
oh yes, somebody accidentally caused up a mistake. It's gone down. You must hear Emma Linton on the service there.
For the 1856 London
Yeah, we go.
Western Railway service to Nuneaton. Avanti West Coast service to Bury, and Nuneaton. This train is forming of two coaches.
There we go, we got the announcement for you. This is for True. Next station will be Birmingham International. Oh, gone upside down. Sorry about that. We're gonna hear the 3 days takeoff in a minute. Yeah, let me go further out. And the train now approaching, arriving into platform 2. It's a London North Western Railway service to Crewe, to Leamington Spa. B9046 with a nice tone as well. Nope. B9046, 196 There goes B9046 service to London to service to Crewe. The next station will be Birmingham International. And here we have two 196s. One is going to Nuneaton. One is them. It's going to Leamington Spa from Nuneaton. So there's a diversion today because the Pendolino is not coming on platform 2. It's coming on platform number 1. I normally thought it was going to come on platform number 2. But it's going to be platform 1. And getting ready to leave in a minute is the 196 service Nuneaton. So I'll be going there next week. You know the business. It's coming anyway. I know it's coming. Right, I think the 196 over there is left. Yep, it's left now. Getting ready to leave. Leaving for. And getting ready to leave with the 196 service to Nuneaton as well. and the 196 is getting ready to leave. Oh, and not this Tuesday, but next Tuesday probably we'll be going to Nuneaton. And getting ready to leave. It's this 196 service to here we have a Pendolino. Yes! Let's go! We have a Pendolino service to London Euston. And this one's, I think it's 200 one. It's 390 200. This is 390 016. $390 $390 and we have a and now leaving now is 196 service to Nuneaton, and the doors look ready to go, so it must be leaving now. Walking the 196 service to Nuneaton, calling at Coventry Arena, Bedworth, Budo Park, and Nuneaton, and this Pendolino right over there, that Pendolino over there, yeah, it's calling at London Euston only, and the 196 is leaving. Come on, driver. Oh. 196 006. Honda 196 002 006 with a nice two blocker. Thank you very much. Anyone like home? What? Alright. Right, now leaving now is the Pendolino service to London Euston. And it's got this and there's wine. There we go, service to 9020, welcome to Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Coming at London Euston only. Train has 11 coaches.
I'm mistaken it, and she said 30. I mean 20.
What?
Yeah.
He said 30 minutes. We have a little bit of time left, so let's work on the service from Birmingham Street to London Euston. Actually, that's coming from That's coming from Edinburgh to London Euston, running 5 minutes, running 39 minutes late due to the shortage of train crew. And we do have a Pendolino coming on platform 3, coming at 19:16. Yep, and we have Pendolino now. And it's coming right now into the corner. Coming into Coventry Station, working the service from London Euston to Central. And they'll probably get back here possibly 1906, 1956. Actually 1940 for the 2156 service to London Euston, or it might come here at 2206 if I'm not mistaken. Could take 5 hours to get there. Yeah, you'll get there at 23 past, so that's why he's going to stay at Glasgow Central for the night. And then he'll go back to Wolverhampton later. And he won't come at Coventry because there's no point. Because this train's not going to go back to Coventry because there's no point, because yeah. And here comes the train coming into the station now. Walking there. I know it's running about 3 minutes late. Yeah, I know. Running about 3 minutes late. Here it comes.
Wolverhampton, Stafford, Crewe, Warrington, Banbury, Wigan, Northwestern, Preston, Lancaster, Oxenholme, Lake District, Carlisle, Motherwell, and Glasgow Central. This train is formed of 9 coaches.
And this time it's going pretty fast this time again. Actually slowing down pretty quickly. Yeah, it is. It's going slower than last time. Yeah, maybe.
Imagine these seas.
Yeah. He did that once. Yeah. Oh no. 390-011, City of Lichfield. 390-011. 9011, what's the subject from London Euston? You guys are Central. Absolutely brilliant. It's great to see, it's because this was had the city nameplate at Lichfield Valley, and we have a train. I felt that one. You can see that, and then I'm going to go back to the doors. And see if we can hear Emma Linton. I think we can hear Emma Linton this time, yeah. Hopefully if we can hear Emma Linton, because if not, that will be very disappointing. Hopefully we can hear Emma Linton just before the train actually closed the door. And the person just went off the train and went to a different one. We went to a different. There we go. This train is for Birmingham Street. This train is for Glasgow Central actually. Next station will be this train is for Glasgow Central. Hopefully we can get home from this driver. If not, it'll be very disappointing, but yeah. Hopefully we get the 4th stage. Take off like the other Pendolino did. There's the gun. There's the hiss. And there's the wine. Yes! 9001. Absolutely belting tone. But that was an absolutely belting one. Thank you. City of Litchfield. Hey. 9011. Service from London Euston to Glasgow Central. Running.
Why are you so far down? 10 minutes left and then we're going.
Okay. Here we have a Class 66 working a Freightliner Class 66 service. I did not expect this. A Freightliner Class 66. Goodness me. Look at this locomotive. I'll probably get a beep from this, but it'll be very loud. But let's get our ears covered. I'm going to cover my ears a little bit. Cover your ears, bro. You're going to get a really loud beep. I can't believe this is the Class 66. Come on. Class 66. Bro, it's coming right now. And this is going to stop. And it's not stopping. I don't think it's going to stop. So it's going to probably give us a beep. Keep waving. Let's see what happens. It's going to stop this time. Yeah, stop it. Right now, no. He's stopping. Here he is. The driver. No, he's not going to do it. He knows it's going to disturb the punches. Wait, if he does do it, then cover your ears, bro. He's stopping. He's definitely stopping. Yep, he's stopping. The 66 is stopping here. Oh, no. 66 is stopping here. I will call when it actually lives. And here we have the Class 350s. As usual. Yep, he saw us. He might give us a tone when he leaves. So he's gonna give us a tone when he leaves. It's absolutely amazing. And then we come to Class 350. Welcome to London Norfolk Railway service to Birmingham Street. And this one's Class 350, and it's I think this is 66561. Working the Freightliner Class 66 service to
Wait, can you see it?
Yeah, it's literally recorded.
You do it. You do it.
No, bro, I don't want to get in trouble. Hey, the 66 is ready to go. Not really. If this 66 leaves, this will give it a belting tone. Goodness me, this happened last time. Well, 350 or 180 to the front of this London Norfolk Railway service. Let's run 350. Look behind you. 350 211. And then, limit 350 125. Hello. Let's see if we can hear the 66 horn, and if not, I'm gonna save this one. No, we're gonna save this one, yeah, and we're gonna see you can see this Class 66 leave full powered. It's gonna be absolutely amazing, and it's gonna be the end of the video. And if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe at this 6-6. Do you want to go? Let's go inside the tunnel. We're gonna get really loud, but it's worth it. This is the awesome class to see. 2 trains. Both of them, there's a class 66 over there and a class 350. Both wanting to work in service from Birmingham, London Euston to Birmingham New Street. Which one of them's leaving right now? One of them's leaving. This is 350, 118. There it goes. There's the big buzz. And there's the lead. And there's the big buzz. And there's what? And that's the name. Yes! Yes! 350, 118 in the front. Nice turn as well. And in the rear is 350, 114. Both living for Birmingham District. Next station will be Birmingham International. And in a very few moments, the 6-6 is ready to go. After the 350 is cleared, it's going to give out a belting tone. Focus as the 6-6 getting ready to leave. Let me put my camera down. Okay. Yep, it's ready to go. It's ready to go. Look. Here we go. Yes. Oh, we're gonna listen to the sponsor.
We're gonna get bullet.
Here we go. Yes. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, Mum. Here we go. Come on. Come on, Mum. Alright. Just gonna do it. Absolutely amazing, baby! Goodness me! Absolutely brilliant! What a big though! That's enormous! Jesus! Oh, goodness me! Huh? Yeah, this might come to an end, unfortunately. But this has absolutely been amazing. What a loud beat this gun! What an absolutely amazing beat though! Goodness, hello! That amazing beat! Goodness me! Goodness! Hello! 66561 with a belting tone. The driver said he would do it here, so my ears! Hello! That is a service to Felixstowe, not to Barker. Goodbye, 66. Thank you for the tone as well. Thank you. If you enjoyed this end of the video, if you enjoyed the end of the video, please smash this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. And I match up the videos to 2, 2, 1. Goodness me. Actually, the 221 actually. That's a 4 car. Yep. I'll see you next time. Bye.